Get out my face, so close. Around my waist, the eagles fofo. They shooting. Page, look, you a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, play for your time.
My car, I'm having a problem.
When them dimes at, they shooting.
Oh my God! Oh shit!
You ready? I am. Let's go. Video protected.
I got that shit on camera.
Yes, I do.
Do you have a ruler?
Yes, I don't. No, I don't.
Do you want to sit on the park bench, or do you want to sit over in the...
We can sit over there. What do you think?
Yeah, we can. If you park there, I can sit there.
Heat is here, and if your AC struggled last summer or you're worried about rising repair costs, now's the time to replace. For 60 years, Atlanta homeowners have trusted Coolray to keep their...
You can count on the Yellow Bag of Quikrete concrete mix to help you get the job done right. Pick up the Quikrete Yellow Bag at your favorite home improvement center. Quikrete, it's what America's made of.
Idiot doesn't know what a yield sign means.
And all that kind of stuff under the NFA Act, but as far as like regular gunship and people that drank, you know, after World War II, same thing. It was only in '68 when you actually saw this kind of sneak its way into prohibited persons type of category. But again, they still had an avenue where people could have their gun rights restored. So when you compare persons type of category, but again, they still had an avenue where people could have their gun rights restored. So when you compare what the Trump administration is saying, if we did take firearms, it was more of a temporary thing, or there would be laws like in Texas where they had it where, you know.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? Yo! Fucking retard!